Segment Pad here. Today we're looking at something very small and I'm hoping that this video is going to be short. This is a Belkin charger, but it is unique, hence the video. So let's talk Belkin BoostCharge Hybrid wall charger 25 watt plus power bank 5K. It's a mouthful, but I think it's worth taking a look. Let's get started by rolling the intro, thanking Belkin for sending this for review on the video, and make sure to like and subscribe. Let's go. The Belkin hybrid wall charger is unique. The word hybrid is a giveaway, but we don't need this box because we've got this fancy little baggie here that I don't actually know if it comes with. Let's take a look at the first item, and that is the wall charger. Pretty standard, nice and fairly lightweight. It plugs into a wall, and because it is a traveler adapter, you can flick the button over here and pull this out and swap it out with a completely different plug. Let's say you're flying over to the UK. You can pop that straight on and it's very satisfying. What's more important is very solid when it's plugged in. Pull out, swap to the next one, and you got yourself an American wall plug. Fantastic. On the other side, we've got a USB-A and a USB-C and a little button. When you do press it, you get some lights right at the bottom, and this turns into a battery. That's right, this is actually both a charging wall plug and a battery at the same time. So let's say you're in Australia and you're now going to Europe. So you pop off the Australian plug and plug in the European one, and you're good to go. You can charge it and of course use it as a real wall plug. So it has a 25 watt power, which enables very fast charging, 3.0, which is fantastic for charging your phones at the airport. When it goes onto battery power, and you don't have to keep this plugged in, you can just pop it off, it has 20 watts of charging, and the 5K in the name is a little bit of marketing roundup, because on the actual specifics on here, it does say that it's 4,800 milliamps, which means you'll probably charge maybe 1.5 iPhones with this, but it's quick charge, and maybe one iPad. But because it's 20 watts, it's fast and it's quick enough to power things like Bluetooth speakers out in the wild when you're partying. So a travel adapter with a USB-C and USB-A charger. Then it is also battery bank, and you can take it on a plane because it does abide by all the aviation laws. So at $120, it's not cheap. Like, you could get battery banks for like $20, $18, but it does 3 jobs and it does them really good. Fast charger through a wall, and it's of course travel adapters, and then it is a battery bank that you can then again take on your travels. I feel like this is the missing part from my recent trip to New York, and I kind of regret it only arriving this week. So is the value there? Well, if we look at just the adapters for the actual wall plug, we've got 4 of them, and if you buy them at $20 each, that right there is pretty much 80% of the way. At $80, another $40 for a battery, and then putting it all together with a fast charge capability and of course the portable battery part, you've got yourself a pretty good value box. The build is really solid, and Belkin has made sure to highlight all the safety features of this. I think Belkin, as far as I can throw them, and this one is very throwable, I trust them on that one. Friends, thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Links below where you can grab one of these. These have just been released in Australia, so pretty darn cool. And I'll catch you all in another one. Bye.